I have a question. I'm going to do this very short video and show you this design here, right? I want to show you, camera disappeared on me, so I'm not happy about that. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you in this design, see this triangle? So when something comes to split, and everybody knows this triangle is also a representation of the Roman letter V, the 22nd letter, reversed is 5, equaling to the E world. Once I plug this in here, I will create this area here and this area here looking like the horns, looking like Taurus that tore them apart, and is now all the energy that goes through here, or all the energy pulsating goes all the way through. One way to look at this. Or these are the bullhorns. Once I come in, I pick up the vibration on each side, 5 and 1, becomes 2, 3, 4. Why 5 and 1? Because it's from here to here and here to here. The reflection of it. Otherwise, it's 1 to 5, 3 to 7, picking up the reflection, right? 1, 5. Actually, it's 1, 5, 9, 3, 5, 7. The 5 area being over here in between the 2, if you want to look at it that way. Or we can look at this point as being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 stops over here. You can't bring it down because on square paper, what happens is once you bring this to here and this to here, this is only halfway because the box, is this 9? If this is 9, this would be 1, 5, 9. 5 being the X part in the center. 1, 5, 9, 9 being the point, and then 5 and 1 over here. But like we showed on roulette yesterday, if I flip my boards over, this does not continue 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. This will switch over to 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7, 1, 5, 9. So we're only taking over, this is an equation. This is what happens. We're trying to understand what happens when we interfere with something, what numerological value will show up, right? So by putting this V inside of here, where there was nothing, now we're intercepting between this area here and this area here. You see these towers? See the way they look like towers, right? Fold each one of these down now. Fold each one of these down, okay? Fold each one of these down, or you have to place the earths on each side. So there's more in the equation inside of this. Here's the twin towers, everybody meeting at this center. When these two come in, they meet over here. See the W and the crown? See the W and the crown? I will show you this in another video. In fact, I'm going to have to go and get that page right now. I'm going to take a look at it. If I can find it in pictures. No, I'm going to find it in the desktop. I think I used it early last night. Yes, here it is. And it's right over here. It's right over here, the design. You see this design here? See this design inside here, the numbers it brings in? It brings in on the top side. It brings in on the top side 3, 5, 7, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 9. And then it brings in 3, 5, 7 over here. 5, 7. This one over here is 16, 17, 18. This one's 18. 9. This one over here is 18, 9. This is what we're connecting, right? 25 equals to 7. 23 equals to 5. So 9, 5. And this one is, I can't read that one. Anyways, you get the drift. I think it's 19 equals to 1. So in this scenario, we have, we don't come down on this side. I'm not coming down. 3, 6, 8, 1, 4, 8. 3, 6, 8. So these are all these numbers, and here we come down. Why do I have them like this? Why is this in between? Because this is a section. 3, 6, 9 numbers to a section, or 12. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So this line is because we're using up 18. This line over here is because we're using up 3, 6, 9. 9 and 18. So if you're going to the key chain of Messer, 9 and 18, the usage and the angles of these lines, what they're doing. Let me put this one down at the bottom again. And so that's the reason for this video. I was going to do something else right now, just talk about something short in the video. If you're talking about 365 days in a year, right, we're going to look for a number that represents number 3. Here's number 3. It represents, let me get this picture out of the way so I can see my camera. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 5. So if you go to 365, you end up with 2, 7, 6. You end up with 276. 365 and 369 give you the same number. Is there a representation inside of numbers? I spell the word and I give you the number. But inside this word, okay, is 28 and 28. It's a perfect word. R18EE. 18 red, 18 black. In the word 6, 19, 28 red, 24 black. 6 stands for Area 51. But let's stop this right now, right? Area 51, Super Bowl 51, vibration 2, 3, and 4. In the word 9, it's all red. In the word 5, F is black, V is black. Give me 28. 14, DNA. This one is 28, DNA. This one is a complete 42. So we have to understand the differences in the numerological values and reasons. The other thing I want to go back to this is a cube, right, is this size. A dice cube is this size. Is a dice cube actually known for just one square? Is it known for one square? If it's known for one square, then this number over here is 1. And the number over here on this point, okay, is 3. That is your 13. From one end of 1 to the other end of 1 is 1 and 3. And the reason I know this, okay, is because of this. What does it take to get from here to here? Forget about, just put back the numbers. What does it get from the center of here to the center of here? Well, am I beginning over here? Am I beginning over here? Or do I begin over here? If this is a complete 1, then this connecting these 4 is even larger. This area would be 3. This area would be 5. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But it's the same. No, it's not. It depends whether it's this way and this way. Telling us different scenarios through the numbers. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Breakfast. Thank you for watching.